loves, welcome to Happy Muncher. I hope you guys are doing great. Happy new week. Today is Monday. I hope your weekend was okay. Mine was good. I was out with friends and yeah, just enjoying Batumi, having a great time. I want to dash out. I'm going to explore the new mall that opened 2 days ago here in Batumi. It's called Grand Mall. So I'm taking you guys along. Let's go explore the new mall, check out the stores there, what they have, and I'll probably grab a few things over there because yeah, I need some stuff. I need a mousse for my wig. So let us head down to Grand Mall. See you in a bit. Guys, actually the weather today is not so good. It's very windy and cloudy, so it's been raining. But here's my taxi. Let's go. Yeah. Hi.
It was years ago, but how can I forget? We were 16 up all night. Love and heartbreak was our life. We got drunk and smoked your dad's cigarettes. Dreamt of a life in a big town, skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you.
So we are here, guys. This is the Grand Mall. Let's go inside. Still very brand new, guys. Wow. Calvin Klein. They have these luxury fashion brands. I think some shops are still gradually opening, but this is it. It's so beautiful. They have makeup stores, sunglass stores. Zara is not open yet, but they definitely are opening. Mango. Let's see what's up there. Jewelry stores. Wow, it's actually a really beautiful mall, guys. It's very clean. It smells so good. There are more floors, and you have the lingerie store. LC Waikiki. This is a good store. Their clothing is good quality and very affordable. But yeah, this is it, guys. This is the mall. It's so beautiful. It's not too big.
I wanna close my eyes and go back, play
Tommy Hilfiger, Guess, Gant. They're really good stores, guys. So if you wonder where you'll be doing your shopping while you are here in Batumi, Grand Mall is the place to be. They have Charles and Keith. Let's check the other floor. This floor sells mostly electronics and gadgets. One of my favorite stores, guys. Mini store, kitty store, B&G store. Okay, so this floor has a lot of kitties clothing and gadgets. They also have like household stuff, accessories. You can buy your bedding here. You can buy your cookware here. You can drink coffee. So beautiful. Okay, this is the food floor. This is where you'll find restaurants, fast food restaurants. There's McDonald's, there's Subway. Yeah, this is where, and there's a cinema on the other side. But this is where you'll get your food, guys. KFC. Yeah. Also, I love this little detail, guys. These are like metal doves and they're hanging by the string. It's so artistic. It's very beautiful. The roofing up here is so beautiful as well. I love it. Okay, food court. You can grab your KFC, McDonald's, and this is a sitting area. So let's check it out. I see some beautiful views of the sea here. So the mall is overlooking these amazing views. So that's the Black Sea over there. So beautiful, guys. And this white and beautiful building in front of us is a hotel. It's called Grand Gloria Hotel. It's amazing, right? So guys, this is not a very big mall. You can spend about an hour exploring the mall and having a good time. Maybe grab something to eat. I've been to bigger malls and I kind of don't like extremely big malls. I love malls that are so easy to walk. Anyway, this is Grand Mall. Make sure to check it out while you're here in Batumi. It's really beautiful, guys, and it's got all the shops you can think of. Right now I'm looking for a cosmetic shop because I want to buy something for my hair. There's also this cool store called Factory, and it's selling all these brands, guys. Michael Kors, DKNY, Guess, Tommy Hilfiger, Pandora, so you can check it out. Okay, these are cosmetic products, and there's a supermarket here where you can do your groceries. It's cool, right? So I need a mousse for my hair. Let's see if I can find it here. Okay, I found what I was looking for. All right. Guys, this is the end of my video for today. I just wanted to show you this beautiful mall, and yeah, the weather is not so friendly today. It's very windy, it's cloudy. I think it's going to rain, and yeah, I have to head back home, but I got what I wanted and I shared with you the mall. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you on my next video. From me today, it's all love. Toodles, toodles.
Y tus caricias, la verdad no fue el culpable. Ay, todo tiene un propósito y dejarme será solo uno más.